Hi and welcome again to my channel, Security in Mind. I just wrote another new tool called Path Traversal Learner or Directory Traversal Learner. Now, and if you want to support me, I have two links on most of the videos on my YouTube channel. I rarely do talk about it because I really don't want to do a lot of commercials in that kind of way. But in this video and also on my website here, I put in a support me ? If you want to do something, where you on a monthly base subscribe to my Patreon channel. That is one way to support what I do. Or there's also the PayPal way where you can go ahead and donate an amount of money towards the thing that I do. In all honesty, I haven't made that much money with YouTube so far. I think I got 2 payments, and after 30% tax, because I'm not living in the US, it's down to around $80 times 2. I think I got paid out, and so far the money is resting on my bank account. Also, a generous giver gave me a Wi-Fi pineapple, and I had 2 different kind of patrons, I guess you would just call it. So far I have 1 at the moment. I'm really grateful for having just 1. It is more than I ever hoped for. The things that I'm trying to get is I want to do more with gadgets. I am trying at the moment, just for you to see, I have an Android phone right here, and I am actually trying to install different kind of things on it. This is Linux, you see, and I'm trying to do the best what I can with what I have. This is an old phone. It's like from 2009. I think it is, but I need better equipment and better hardware to do more stuff. I want to build myself a portable Wi-Fi handshake capturer so that I can walk around and basically farm passwords in the air, so I can prove that people do not take password policies seriously, and I'm pretty sure that is the case. It is at least my hypothesis. I want to prove that hypothesis by creating such a device. That is the at the moment goal. I would really love to get a Pine phone. It's just not in the budget area for me at the moment. I think it's around $200 to get the Pine phone with a I think it's a small converter, something like that. Without the converter, I think you can get it for $150. I don't know why it costs $50 with the converter extra, but who knows. That is what I'm trying to do at the moment, and after that, I will start capturing as much as I can, and I want to create videos about how I create stuff. At the moment, I'm really trying to do my best with the phone, but I'm having issues rooting it because it's that old, and I cannot upgrade the operating system on it. It just totally say, I don't want to do anything. So that is the way it is, and yeah. But really, this video is getting long about me talking about how we can support me and what we can do about it. I just want to say that I've been so grateful that you guys watch my content, gave me so much feedback and ideas. Please continue. That is also a way to support me. And now back to the video. Now, accessing this tool is free, and you just go to my webpage, securityinmind.com, and you click on this tool link here and go and click here to access it. This is of course just a small demo, so it is kinda only these 3 commands that actually work. If you don't put anything in, it's gonna please type your command, but you can go ahead and type this command here, and it will output the standard ping. Then you are tasked to do a ls to see, like, if you pipe a command, you can see the content. This is not the real content of this directory, it is just something coded in. and then one more time you can try something like that, and then you see whatever. So this is a demonstration of how it should work and how you should understand it if you should explain directory traversal or pass traversal to someone that's never seen it before. Then this tool can be really good, just to basically showcase and say, but look, if you have something like that, then you have a problem. So of course bear in mind that this is just a demonstration tool, so everything is coded in HTML and JavaScript. There's no access to backend here or anything, nothing crazy going on. Everything is coded in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you use the tool for something. It is free to use, and just want to say have a real nice time watching it, and see you again online.